At dawn, the terraced fields of Mù Cang Chải awaken in gold. Emerald steppes turn to amber as the sun climbs over the mountains, and mist flows through the valleys like a slow river. The landscape has been carved by generations of farmers, a living mosaic.
Lúa khô rồi.
Lật thêm một lượt nữa cho đều.
Sáng mai cho gánh về.
The sun is kind today. It dries the rice like a patient friend. Turn it slow. Let the wind help. And by evening, it will sing when you touch it.